Newsroom. India's top business news in today's edition are: Tata Sons acquires majority stake in online grocery seller BigBasket. Tata Group is now in direct race with Amazon, Flipkart and JioMart. Tata Group has announced its plan to launch a super app, Tata Sons, through its wholly owned subsidiary Tata Digital. Tata Digital has acquired a majority stake in the Alibaba-backed online grocery seller BigBasket. E-grocery has been one of the fastest growing segments in consumer e-commerce space, and the deal comes at a time when the COVID-19 pandemic and resultant lockdowns have spurred a big shift to online shopping, especially for food and groceries. The stake buy in BigBasket will place Tata Group in direct race with Amazon, Flipkart and JioMart, and also SoftBank-backed Grofers, which have been hitherto dominating the e-commerce space in the country. Moving on to our next news headlines, Punjab National Bank raises 1800 rupees crore via QIP, offers share at 33.75 per unit. Punjab National Bank has raised 1800 crore by selling 53 crore shares on a private placement basis to investors like LIC and Society General. Eligible qualified institutional buyers were given the share at an issue price of 33.75 per unit, aggregating to 1800 crore, PNB said in a regulatory filing. In respect of the QIP, the Capital Raising Committee of Board of the bank had its meeting held and approved the allotment of equity shares to eligible qualified institutional buyers at an issue price of Rs 33.75 per equity share. Moving on to our next story, Indian logistics giant Delhivery raises $277 million ahead of IPO. Delhivery, India's largest independent e-commerce logistics startup, has raised $277 million in what is expected to be the final funding round before the firm files for an IPO later this year. In a regulatory filing, the Gurgaon headquartered startup disclosed it has raised $277 million in a round led by Boston headquartered investment firm Fidelity, Singapore's Sovereign Wealth Fund GIC, Abu Dhabi's Chimera and UK's Bailey Gifford also participated in the new round. The new round valued the 10-year-old startup at about $3 million. Delhivery, which also counts SoftBank Vision Fund, Tiger Global Management, Times Internet, the Calais Group and StentView Capital among its investors, has raised about $1.23 billion to date. That's all for today. This is Parag Gupta signing off, and we'll be back with more interesting business stories soon. Till then, stay safe and thank you.